We have a special team here at Coastal Eye Surgeons. I've assembled this from the beginning, just built and built and built, and we keep growing our family larger and larger. But everybody who comes in buys into the process. That's our method of finding team members, is who buys into this whole idea, which is personalized care. It doesn't matter how busy we get, doesn't matter how many doctors we add, you have to have the personal touch. And I think every staff member that's here understands that and carries that forward, and that's the reason why they were hired. When you put that all together, it makes it a place that's fun to be. It's a respectful kind of culture here. I enjoy it every day.